In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PIN in Amazon Prime Video. This is an important process as it helps you manage parental controls and purchase restrictions effectively. Let's get started so you can ensure that your viewing experience aligns with your preferences. First, go to the Prime Video website and sign into your Amazon account. You will see a variety of content displayed on the main screen. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to access your Prime Video settings. This step is crucial because you need to be logged in to make any changes to your account. Once you've signed in, you will be ready to proceed to the next step. Next, click your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon usually represents your account and may include your profile picture or initials. By clicking on it, you open a drop-down menu that provides various options related to your account. This step is essential as it gives you access to your account settings where you can manage your preferences effectively. From there, select the Account and Settings option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page that contains various settings related to your Prime Video account. Here you can manage not only your PIN but also other important details related to your account. It is important to navigate carefully so you can find the specific settings you need. Now, open the Permissions tab on the Account and Settings page. This tab is where you manage the security features of your Prime Video account. You will see different options that allow you to control how your account is accessed and used. By focusing on the Permissions tab, you are taking an important step toward enhancing your account's security and ensuring that content is appropriate for all viewers. Under Prime Video Account PIN, click Change. This action prompts you to begin the process of updating your PIN. It is vital to choose a new PIN that is secure yet easy for you to remember. Once you click Change, the system prepares to guide you through the next steps of entering your new PIN. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it allows for more control over your viewing experience. Now, enter a new 5-digit PIN in the designated field. Make sure this PIN is unique and not easily guessed. The screen will typically show you the option to enter your new PIN twice for confirmation. This is a crucial step because the right PIN will help restrict access to sensitive content and purchases on your account. You want to feel secure knowing that your preferences are being protected. After that, click Save to apply the changes. This action finalizes your new PIN, and you will see a confirmation message appear on the screen. It is reassuring to know that your changes have been saved successfully, allowing you to move forward with confidence in your account's security. If you forgot your current PIN, don't worry. You do not need your old PIN to create a new one. Simply sign in with your Amazon account and follow the steps above. Enter a new 5-digit PIN and save it. This flexibility ensures that you can maintain control over your account even if you forget your existing PIN. Your Prime Video PIN can be used for several important functions. It helps restrict access to content based on maturity ratings, requires a PIN for renting or purchasing movies and TV shows, and prevents unauthorized channel subscriptions. Understanding these uses is crucial as they help you maintain a family-friendly viewing environment while enjoying the platform. Note that on Amazon Fire TV devices, parental controls are managed through the Fire TV's own settings rather than the Prime Video website. This distinction is important because it ensures you can set up the right restrictions based on the device you are using. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Amazon Prime Video account with ease.